Hey guys, Nick from Stoltec Moto here. Real quick video on a new product that we're offering for the Sur Ultra B. This is the Scott steering stabilizer kit. Okay, it's a pretty big improvement to the factory setup. You know, the short wheelbase and the lightweight, especially if you're on the 19-inch front wheel, can make the deflection of the front wheel over rocks and logs and that kind of thing, and roots obviously, very disruptive. This makes a big difference. There's only so much you could do without using a steering stabilizer on a bike with a chassis like this. No matter what you do to the suspension, whether you spend some money and you do really big upgrades, or even if you're just stock, it's gonna pose itself a problem on lightweight bikes like this. But this makes a tremendous improvement. All right, so this kit of ours has essentially two components. We have a really good mounting point here. I got some photos that I'll show you here, but this is essentially the Warp 9 kit. Mounts here on the factory provisions, which is wonderful. You don't have to do any modifications to the bike whatsoever. You don't even need to take off the top steering triple. Everything will mount up. You also get 22 millimeters of rise out of that kit. So if you're looking for taller handlebars, you don't need to stack things on top of one another. Still works with the factory risers, so you don't need to look for anything different. You will need to flip the steering stabilizer so that the arm is flipped like this to match up with the post. And then the adjustments are right on the top there. So just like every Scott stabilizer, which of course have been ripped off so many times by the junk you see on things like eBay, this is the original. It's adjustable for high speed and low speed and adjustable sweep. All right, so this is an off-road specific unit. It really makes a fantastic improvement over the rougher trails. So if you find yourself going a little fast and you're looking for more stability, if you're finding that you're hitting things a little bit harder than you wanted and the steering is just a little bit too light for your taste, this is gonna make a big improvement for stability. So take a look at this. It goes great with any other suspension upgrades you might be doing, or even on a stock bike. Pretty big improvement. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below or drop us an email. We're happy to help. Until next time, guys, ride safe.